and welcome everyone. Today we're gonna do unboxing for a D-Link Eagle Pro AI Wi-Fi 6 AX1500 mesh system 2-pack. So 2-pack, that means it's a mesh system. One is gonna be a router, the other one is gonna be a satellite. So let's do unboxing and see what's inside the box. Okay, it's just arrived today from D-Link. It's basically on their website. It's right now it's $100, and it does come with 2 units, which is very much router and satellite. This mesh system covers about 4,000 square feet. So the coverage area will be very cool to get a full Wi-Fi 6 covered in your home for only $100 plus taxes and shipping fees. Let's do unboxing and see what is inside this box. And here we go. Okay, it has some shipping foams. All right. Okay, and also I've got with the D-Link 2 switches, 8 ports each. So also we're gonna do unboxing on the same video here, so we will see what's inside this switch. And now we're gonna start unboxing the Eagle Pro AI AX1500 mesh system M15 that is gonna cover 4,000 square feet in your house. So let's do unboxing and see what comes with the box. So I already got 2 switches. All right, so I'm gonna put the switches on side now until we get the Eagle Pro unboxing. Okay, otherwise it just foams. Nothing else. All right, so let's get started. As I always recommend it for you guys, make sure it's fully sealed, so it's not open box, it's not refurbished, or it's not used. It's a brand new, as long as it's factory sealed, so it's a brand new. Here we go. Let's break the seal. All right. Okay. So let's get close enough to see. This D-Link Eagle Pro AI AX1500 mesh system. It's Wi-Fi 6, and as I said, it's very much cover 4,000 square feet. So that's gonna cover my full house. So I'm not gonna lose a signal anywhere in my home. So I will get full coverage. Also, you can add a 3rd satellite. Basically, this box comes with 2-pack, which is the router and satellite. But with 3rd one, if you want to add a 3rd one, it's something you can purchase separately from a D-Link website. So you can add that satellite. For example, you want to add a 3rd one at 2nd floor or upstairs house. Then with the 3rd one, you will get the 2nd satellite, which is the router, satellite, and other satellite. That's covered. With the 3rd unit, it will get covered 5,400 square feet. That is awesome. So you will get full house covered with D-Link Eagle Pro AI AX1500 mesh system M15. So let's do unboxing and see what comes inside the box. All right, let's see. Oh, that's nice. It's very small. It's not that big. Okay, so the picture looks like it's a little bit bigger, but this one, let's compare it with my phone. All right. Okay, well, it's probably half. It's not that tall, and the width is about also half, and very light. That's cool wall. So it's not gonna take place on your in your house. Basically, this is gonna be very much a small, and this side has the WPS and a small reset button, and comes with two Ethernet jacks, which is the yellow one WAN and the other one is LAN. So this one for to connect your modem directly to this router, this one for the internet where it came from, and this one is gonna be to use with your laptop, your media center, your desktop, or a switch. So that's why, because I know this one comes only with one port, that's why I got 8-port switch. So also we're gonna do unboxing on the same on this video as well. Okay, all right, so power jack, which is 12-volt 1 ampere power, as a D-Link logo on this one, and the bottom side, that's it. And the other one is the satellite. So satellite, okay, also has 2 units. That is gonna be one as a router and one as satellite. Okay, and what else in the box? Okay, so also has 2 power adapters, which is cool. Let's see this power adapter. It does support, yes, this one does support 100 to or 100 up to 240 volts, which is 50 and 60 hertz. You see, that is cool feature. So that this router can be used anywhere, everywhere, with different electricity, like a 50 or 60 hertz, 100 or 240 volts. So this one can be used anywhere. So this one is cool. All right, let's see. Okay, these are all the okay. One patch cable. That's a Ethernet cable. I believe I'm not sure if it's Cat 5e or Cat 6, but I'm positive it's gonna be Cat 5e, basically, which is the cheapest one. But it doesn't matter for me. So I use my Cat 8, basically. Excuse me. Okay. Otherwise, that's it. That's only things comes with the Eagle Pro AI AX1500 mesh system M15. So it comes only with 2 units, which is the router and satellite, and 2 power adapters, and that's it. All right, so now let's do unboxing also on the 8 gig or 8-port gigabit each. This is gonna be a switch, because as you see, the router comes only with one Ethernet port. So you may have multiple devices you want it to be connected straight or directly with a patch cable, other than using the Wi-Fi. But because sometimes you want to get fastest internet, it's going to be faster than the Wi-Fi. You may want to have desktop or laptop or whatever devices you have connected with patch cable. So this switch comes with 8 ports, 1 gigabit each port. Okay, so let's do unboxing and see what's inside the box. As always, excuse me. Excuse me. As always, recommended seal it. So you're gonna break the seal. So if it's not sealed, as I always recommended, it may be a refurbished or a used. All right, so I'm gonna break the seal and let's open the box and see what is inside it. Here we go. Oh gosh. All right, comes with the user manual, which is quick start guide as the one. You need to read that one. Oh gosh, that is durable. It's great. Wow. Unbelievable. I love it. It's very light and very small, and you can carry with you if you want. I mean, if you do travel and you want to use it so as a switch to connect extra devices, then this is the one. It's very light. Let's see, compare it with the iPhone here. This is iPhone Pro Max. Okay. Wow. Awesome. Yep. It's not tall. It's not big. In one hand. Also comes with 8 ports, each 1 gigabit per second per port. Okay. So, and from this side has only the power jack. So that's it. That's for this one. This is the power jack, or this is the power cord. And also this one can be used everywhere with the electricity. So this one supports 100 volt or 240 volt, 50 or 60 hertz. So this can be used anywhere with the electricity, with any electricity. So this is a cool one as well for use everywhere. So that's it. And also comes with stickers. So these are for the base. You can put them at the bottom here. So just the base for this one. That's it. That's all I have. So Eagle Pro AI AX1500 mesh system, M15, the router. That's the one, the mesh system, and also the switch. Otherwise, thanks for your watching, and please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Share the video, put your comment, and thanks for your time. Have a great day. Thank you.